Hi everyone. In my end of month collab that I do with Stamp Girl, where we try to use a 12 by 12 paper pad over a period of months, I had only gotten done a card and a memory dex card that was for a swap, and that swap was for Tam Stewart, who is we swapped before, but the swap is hosted by Polly's Pretties over on Facebook. So I got her swap, and hope she should have mine also as of Friday. She should have had it. So hopefully she got it. And I opened this, but let's see. Look at this pretty. I think she made this envelope. I can't show you the front. It says spring. See, spring. Mailbox there. She does her own labels and stuff. So it says please deliver to, and has a little mailbox. That's so cute. It says designs by Joyce Wright. Really pretty. I love this. That's really pretty. Okay, so let's see. This is not a memory dex, but I thought it was going to be a lollipop, because I like a lollipop. It's a plastic pick though, with hearts with an arrow. Can use that sometime. A little envelope here. So cute. Very pretty. I love little envelopes, so thank you. And then, ooh, butterfly. Butterfly. And a heart. Oh, look at that. It's a scallop circle with die cut hearts out of it. That's pretty. Thank you. So cute. I'll put them in my Valentine's stuff for next year to use. And then, oh, what do the hearts say? Unscramble the words to find out. Okay, cool. Little Valentine's here. I hope the answers are there. Don't look. Happy Valentine's Day. I Spy, can you find all the items? I might be gifting these to my granddaughter, who is 7. She'd like these. Maybe I'll give this one to my teenage one, and the other ones to my 7-year-old one. Not with the answers showing though. Okay, so see, she prints her own. That is such a good idea. Please post once received. Yes, I'm posting this on YouTube. I'll try to take a picture as well, and then I can post it in Facebook also. So, and I don't know if this came yesterday or today, because I didn't get the mail in yesterday. So there's 2 days worth of mail in my mailbox, and I just don't know. Probably yesterday, but I'm not sure. You have received a, and she's got tag, swap, wish, rack, prize, swap. That's a good idea. I think I need to do that. And the group, and from, and what it is. Hot cocoa deck swap. Yep. It says lovely, and these little, look at these little girls. They're having their cupcakes and their hot cocoa, or hot tea, I guess, with the tea pot. Yeah, really cute. Thank you, Tams. And this is her memory dex. Ooh, the coffee to go, or hot cocoa to go. Yeah, I have some. I don't have a die that big, but yeah. And then these have love on them. They're cute too. And then I don't know how you did this, like a little square punch with, and then just snip the lines. Interesting. And then a foamy heart, like she gifted me, and then a puffy glittery sticker. You see all the glitter in that? But she didn't put her information on the back, but I have her information from before. So thank you so much, Tams. Cute card. I love this big coffee cup. And these little ones too, for the hot cocoa, and the hearts in place of marshmallows. Like, cool. Thank you very much, Tams. Actually, I need to leave them spread out so that I can take a picture of everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back because I got some more happy mail, and then I also got some winnings. So I'm going to do them all in separate videos. All right, talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.